Mike's 1976 Runabout Pinto with the wood grain, by the way. Fancy. We dig the wood grain. Said it's having a water leak, so we are going to pressure test the cooling system. Wes has one Swedish-made penis enlarger pump. And he's gonna pump that bitch up to like 16 pounds. He's at like 0 right now. If I see something leaking sooner.
Down here.
Ooh, we're already peeing? You're peeing on me? Woo! We're peeing. Woo! Radiator tank. It's going pee-pee. Oh boy. Yeah, that's the radiator. See if you can pump it up more, get it to leak somewhere else too.
Yep. 18?
16. Oh, I think we found it.
15. 16.
Well, looks like we got another Bob's radiator candidate, eh?
Oh, she's leaking right here on the...
You got one up there too? Oh, come up. Where are we at?
Right there on the fins underneath that. Come on this side, block the sun.
Yeah, I'm fat. I block the sun all the time. Watch your head, Wessie.
That's number 1 for the day.
Where we at?
You see where that center bar?
Oh, the crossbar.
Yeah.
Down in there. Get it to focus. Enhance. Oh, there. Yeah. Dos leakies. We got leaky valve cover. Fun.
Still bending in the belly.
That was not fun. Good thing is, when Scott and Sandy had the Bobcat, I wish I was doing videos then, because holy moly, this thing's identical. And a lot of fun on that one. Learned a lot of things. These cars are very simple, but they have a lot to them. Yeah. Thing's awesome. Pinto.